Hello friends, today we will discuss types of overlapping and nature of covalent bonds. First is sigma bond. This type of bond is formed by the end-to-end overlapping of bonding orbitals along the internuclear axis. This overlap is also known as head-on overlap or axial overlap. Sigma bond is formed by any one of the following types of combination of atomic orbitals. First, SS overlapping, s orbital plus s orbital. Okay. Next is sp overlapping. Okay. Third is pp overlapping. Okay. This type of overlapping is forming of sigma bond, means head overlapping. Okay. मीन्स अगर इस टाइप का ओवरलैपिंग पॉसिबल नहीं है सिग्मा बॉन्ड में. ओके, दिस इज रॉन्ग ओवरलैपिंग. सेकेंड इज पाई बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन. दिस टाइप ऑफ कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म्ड by the side-wise overlapping of the half-filled atomic orbitals of bonding atoms. Such type of overlap is known as side-wise or lateral overlap. This type of overlap is possible when their axes remain parallel to each other and perpendicular to the internuclear axis. Side-wise overlapping. Side overlapping. This is the pi bond formation. This is saucer type or charged clouds type. During the formation of pi bond, the overlapping occurs to a smaller extent. Therefore, a sigma bond is stronger than a pi bond. It is interesting to note that pi bond between two atoms is formed in addition to a sigma bond. It is always present in the molecule having multiple bonds, double or triple covalent bonds. S orbitals cannot participate in the formation of pi bonds. Okay, thank you.